Hey Heritage, it's Miss Vaccaro with another math card game for you to try. This one is called Builder's Paradise, and you are definitely going to want more than one player for this. I don't have anybody else here with me today, but I will try my best to demonstrate it as if I did. So, first things first, you can keep all the cards in the deck except the jokers. We don't want those. Remember that aces are going to be worth 1. Jacks, which look like this, are going to be 11. Queens, they look like, like this, are going to be 12, and kings are going to be 13. So this game is going to help us with counting and sequencing our numbers. You're going to need a pretty big playing space for this, and the only setup really is that you are going to want to put the 7s, all 4 of the 7s, out in the middle of your space. So if I had somebody sitting on this side or maybe across from me, as long as these 7s are in the middle so that everybody can reach it, we are good to go. All right, and then the next step is that you are going to distribute the rest of the cards out to however many people are playing. So for example, if it's just me and one other person, I'm just going to distribute the cards out evenly between the two of us. So essentially what we are going to be doing is building off of these 7s in order and by suit. So we are matching them by suit, and we are building off of them in number order. So because there's only 2 of us, we each have a lot of cards, but that's all right. All right, so I'll put my partner's hand over here. So I'll lay them out so you can see. This is my hand. I know it's kind of tough to see. Okay, so when it's my turn, I get a turn to play something on the board. All right, so this is going to be below 7, this is going to be above 7, and we are going to be building off of the 7s, and they have to match in suit. So when it's my turn, I have the opportunity to play off of these 7s. Now, I have the opportunity to play something less than a 7 or something greater than a 7, but it has to be just 1 away. So really, the only cards that I could play right now would be any 6s or any 8s, and I only get to play 1. So for me, let's see, I have a 6 of clubs. I'm going to play my 6 of clubs. Okay, then my partner would go. I'll look at my partner's hand and I'll play for my partner here. They have a 6 of spades, so they're going to play out the 6 of spades. Okay, now it's my turn. I have an 8 of hearts, so I'm going to put my 8 of hearts on this side because this is going increasing. This would be decreasing. Okay, looking at my partner's hand, he has a 6 of hearts, so he would play, or they would play their 6 of hearts right there. Okay, and then we would keep going. If you don't have anything to play, so let's say you don't have the 6 of diamonds, and you don't have anything to play down here, you don't have the 9 of hearts, that means your partner has all of those cards, you would just pass that turn. However, if no one can play, that would mean that the game is over. All right, so you're trying to sequence all the way, so this would go all the way to the King of Hearts and all the way to the Ace of Hearts. I know this one is a little bit confusing, especially because I don't have a partner here to demonstrate with me, but you are just building off of that number 7, and you make sure that you're following suit. Now, you could start at a different number than 7. I just like starting at 7 because it's pretty close to the middle, but you don't have to. You could start at any number that you want, and it would be played the same way. So, alrighty, have fun.